What is up, everybody? Welcome to LetToddCook, and today we're going to be making some kiwi lemonade. Look, the weather's starting to warm up. It's pretty much springtime, and we all need that refreshing drink to quench our thirst, man. And I think that this is gonna be the perfect drink for that. But before I show you guys how to do that, I feel like it's only right that I show you guys exactly how to eat a kiwi. Just like that. That's good. Skin and all. Look, if you guys are still peeling off the skin of your kiwi, you guys are missing out on so many of the benefits that kiwis actually have to offer. Like, kiwis are a good source of fiber. Kiwis are also filled with a bunch of antioxidants and a bunch of other good stuff, man. So stop being afraid of little hair and get in there. So hold up. Let me cook. So what we're gonna do now is wash these kiwis, because I'm gonna be juicing these and I'm gonna be using the skin, obviously. I'm not peeling these, I'm using the juice, I'm using the skin, all of it, because kiwis are an excellent source of fiber. They help with heart disease, they help lower your blood pressure. So these little things are almost like a superfruit. So I got a bowl of water here. I'm gonna drop them in. So right here, I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of baking soda plus 1 more tablespoon of baking soda. And I'm also gonna do about another tablespoon of vinegar. And I know what you guys are gonna say, Todd, baking soda and vinegar cancels each other out. Just use one or the other. Well, look, I like when it does that. If I use one or the other, it wouldn't do that. Looks like we need some more. You know what? I gotta replace this anyway, so I might as well use it all. So yeah, who doesn't love a good fizz? So this is how we're gonna wash the kiwis up. Make sure all that baking soda is dissolved at the bottom. And then I'm just gonna let these sit for about 5 minutes or however long it takes us to peel these lemons. So let's set these aside and start undressing our lemons. All right, so we all know what a lemon is. I don't have like any real lemon facts for y'all like I know about kiwis, but let me tell you guys, this might be TMI, but if you guys are having a hard time using the bathroom, you know, number 2, just eat some kiwis. 2 kiwis a day will keep your, I don't got no like clever rhymes for that, but trust me, 2 kiwis a day. So let's take the clothes off of this lemon. Now look ashy. It's just baking soda. Now the lemons are all peeled, and keep it real, have you guys ever seen a peeled lemon? Have you guys ever peeled a lemon? Let me know in the comment section down below. So I'm gonna put these off to the side and then finish up these kiwis that we set aside a second ago. And I think that they are pretty much ready to go. So I'm gonna take these over to the sink and then rinse them off really good. And then it's pretty much time to start juicing. But before we do that, I want you guys to come in and take a look at that kiwi water. It's not the worst thing I've ever seen, but it's actually not bad at all. So these kiwis are pretty clean, but it's always good practice to wash your fruit off regardless of if it's clean or not. So now it's time to prepare our simple syrup, which is just 1 cup water and 1 cup sugar. I know I said that backwards, but y'all get the point. So I'm gonna give it a mix until all the sugar has dissolved. And then once the sugar is dissolved into the water, we're gonna take it to the stove and cook it down for a second. I know some of you guys have, you know, issues with the simple syrup. You don't have to use sugar if you don't want to. Feel free to replace sugar with any kind of sweetener that you like. You know, I'm using plain white granulated sugar as you just seen, but if you want to use honey or agave, feel free to replace sugar with that. So remember, this is your kiwi lemonade, not mine, or this is mine, but you're gonna make your own. So once the sugar is dissolved, let's go ahead and throw it into a pot, and we're gonna bring it to a boil and then to a simmer, and then we're gonna kill the heat. So as you can see, it's coming to a slight boil. So once it comes to a rolling boil, we're gonna drop the heat and bring it to a simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then your simple syrup is done. All right, there is our rolling boil. Drop that temperature to low, set a timer for about 3 minutes, and we'll come back to that when it's all done. As you can see, kiwi juice is pretty thick. I'm actually just looking for about a cup of kiwi juice and a cup of lemon juice. Moment of truth, let's see if this actually gives us 1 cup of kiwi juice. Ooh, about 3/4 cup. That's all we got, so we gotta use what we got. Let's start juicing those lemons now. So as you can see, there's still some foam from this lemon juice, and there's gonna be more than enough lemon juice for this recipe. So I'm just gonna strain it again. Yeah, looks a lot better. And we could also do it one more time for good measure. Now it's good to go. All right, so now that we finally have our juice from our lemon and our kiwi, I got a pitcher with some nice little lemons on it. I feel like it's a cool touch for the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour over our lemon juice first. So now we got the juice from the kiwi. Nice and thick, nice and thick. And we cannot forget about our simple syrup, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add that to the party. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So now that we got our lemon juice, our simple syrup, and our kiwi juice in here, the only thing left to do now is to add some water. So let's add some water. So we're gonna start out with 4 cups of water, and then from there we're going to taste it to see if we need to make any adjustments by adding more water or if it's just right. But we're gonna start with at least 4 cups of water. So here we go. 3. That's 4 cups, and let's give it a stir and see if we need to make any adjustments from here. Oh, that's really good. It's really good. It's kind of sweet, but it's really good. So I'm gonna add another cup in, and here is 5. Let's give it a mix, give it a stir. Let's see where we at. I feel like that's perfect right there. 5 cups is perfect. I can't wait to pour a cup of that. All right, so now the only thing left to do now is to add in some ice. You know, that good ice. Make sure it's that good ice too. Pour over your kiwi lemonade. If I had some liqueur, I would pour it about halfway there, and I would top off the rest with some, you know, we getting sidetracked. But since we don't have any, let's go ahead and top that all the way up. You know, we got to hit it with the garnish. The kiwi lemon garnish. And that's pretty much it. So let me know what kind of liquor, alcohol you guys will put in your kiwi lemonade. Me personally, I would probably do like a Don Julio Añejo, you know, the brown bottle one, or, you know, some type of Patron or something like that, some type of tequila. Either way, make sure you guys are, you know, just staying hydrated. Just stay hydrated. So let me get a little taste test. It's so good. I already knew it was good because I tasted it earlier, you know. So, fun fact. This is my first time ever trying kiwi lemonade, let alone making it. And it turned out pretty good. If I could do it, y'all could do it too. So yeah, that's gonna pretty much do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to Let Todd Cook for more bomb ass recipes, man. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Love y'all. Peace.